Hello and welcome to this very special live today. This is going to be all about Sachi Zari pieces. Sachi Zari ऐसा एक word है जो बोलते ही I think for me at least it takes me back to my grandmother. It always does, you know. So I think it means a lot of things for everyone else. It also means I think till we started of course doing this and making this. It also means a lost art. Somewhere you feel, अरे ये होता था but अब नहीं होता है. But that is what we have done. You know, we have revived this complete art, craft, and skills, and of course heritage. You know, which is so strongly a part of our culture. चाहे आप north में रहते हैं या you're from south, you're from anywhere. In India, I think we all have it a part of our history. जैसे अगर हम महाराष्ट्र की बात करें तो एवरीवन से अरे पैट नहीं बनती थी, उसमें रियल जरी बनता था. Of course I am from Rajasthan and from Banaras, so that's my heritage. And बनारस में सब बनते ही थे, but राजस्थान में we used to wear them a lot. I think my grandmothers have all worn there. Of course we moved from Rajasthan to Banaras, so that's the transition that we have done, but culturally two really strong states. And our community just wore a lot of it in terms of एम्ब्रॉयड्री. अगर धागे भी जो होते थे उनसे सच्ची जरी के होते थे जिनको अटैच किया जाता था पोतों में. पोत मतलब जस्ट अ फैब्रिक एंड देन वोर एज साड़ी, एज इवन टक्ड ऑन अ लहंगा. And there are so many stories for me that I can always recall, that to test the purity of it, to burn that thread, somebody would come. My grandmother used to live in a village in Rajasthan, and I've seen that early in my childhood, somebody coming to show her things, and she would say, let's check the purity. So yeah, summers used to be really fun, and I think it makes so much importance today. I mean, not then, but you really realize that you just pick up all of that in your DNA so much earlier in your years. Now, today's live is all going to be about this art, this craft and heritage, which is a Sachi Zari weaving. जो इसकी weaving होती है, जो इनके artisans होते हैं, ये सब कुछ अलग तरीके से होता है. And dupattas, and what you're going to see are a range, a very very broad range of dupattas today. And yes, इनका most of them का medium जो है वो है cotton, the pure cotton that so those have been woven in Banaras. And the other part, as I said, two states where my heritage lies is Rajasthan and of course Banaras, the city. Okay, and तो आप कोटा भी देखेंगे जो हमने बनाए हैं राजस्थान की स्टेट में, and then you're going to be seeing of course the Banarsi weaves. So those are the two elements that you're going to be seeing, and we are going to be showing you many lovely combinations with it. Okay, let's get started. This is the first piece that I'm wearing, and आज एक चीज हम जो हट के कर रहे हैं, we always talk about Sachi Zari pieces as something which is very subtle, and that you dress it up as subtle look. But today I wore my two-tone orange fabric just to kind of change that entire styling बोल लें आप of a Sachi Zari piece, because you can kind of really make it stand out in two particular ways, and I'm going to show you. This is the first way. This is the dupatta that you're seeing here. Kuch factual baatein, everything is on WhatsApp. You have to come. In case you're new to our number, please drop in your name and address as well, and you can check in your query. Cash on delivery is available in India with a deposit, like a token amount, and the rest you can pay in cash. And yes, we are going to be shipping worldwide. All the prices are on request, which means that मैं अभी आपको कोई भी price नहीं बताने वाली हूँ. You have to come on WhatsApp. We have only one WhatsApp number which is available for sales. Okay, lots of tricky and slightly I would say almost funny messages coming where somebody has see, our only and only number for our query, for selling, for buying, for everything, it's this number. If you have the teams contacting you from accounts, from dispatch departments, they will also be the same numbers who always contact you. They'll so you can always ask them, and you can always reconfirm the numbers on our main sales number. But अगर आपको कोई somebody who's saying अरे हमें ये इसने message किया, guys, disregard that and don't go looking for pieces which are need, because that is when the trouble starts anyway. So I think that's the thing. But Okay, coming back to it, only one number, worldwide shipping, cash on delivery. So all of that is available, and let's get started on the looks and the styling that we're going to be suggesting for you today. Now look at this, each piece absolutely unique. You will see combinations and looks which will vary in each weave that has been done. Now where you're seeing this piece, it's all about zari itself. You will see this मीना which has been incorporated. मीना डाला जाता है ताकि जो इसकी borders हैं वो उठ जाएं even more. So this one is incredibly beautiful, singularly for the reason that इसमें सिर्फ जरी है. The gold zari that you're seeing here is the electroplated silver tar, जिसको electroplate किया है gold में, okay? And then the silver tar is what you are seeing, the rest of the silver. Now that's the look of pieces in some categories which are only going to be zari. Then you're going to be seeing meena and some zari. Then you're going to be seeing heavy meena, heavy zari. And then of course the kota ones work very differently. जो इनकी स्टाइलिंग है हमने बहुत बार आपको स्टाइल करके बताया भी है, दिखाया भी है, where it's all about the subtle look. But this time I've been thinking a lot about it, and I said I want to make my Sachi Zari actually stand out, okay? Stand out, like if I'm wearing it somewhere. अच्छा, सबसे बड़ी जो बात है, and I will come to this main issue of real Zari, is that we really care whether other people recognize our Zari pieces or not, okay? Now this is very common. I have clients who've been buying from me for years and they buy a lot. And then sometimes when it comes to real Zari pieces, they say, I love it, I love that category. But the fact remains कि मैं कहाँ पहनूँ, जो जिनके साथ मैं पहनती हूँ, they may not realize that what am I wearing. बात एकदम सही है. So that is one thing that we do dress up and we enjoy the words and what is shown to us, and कि लोग समझें कि हमने क्या पहना है, and the value of what we are wearing. But the approach of zari and Sachi Zari pieces एक और भी है. ये जो इनकी वैल्यू है, ये आप बनाते हैं, ये आप क्रिएट करते हैं फॉर योर सेल्फ, ऑनेस्टली. Okay, all my stories, I mean, I have worn my Sachi Zari lehengas. I have lehengas out of it. My mother wore a Sachi Zari lehenga for her wedding. I wore for one of my events, not for my main wedding, and it was an old piece. And that memory is created within me for myself. I know maybe उस समय किसी को समझ आया नहीं आया. Of course, it's a stunning lehenga, so हर आदमी पूछता है. But वो दूसरी बात है, जब आपने ये पहना है, ये stunning piece, it is something you're wearing for yourself. दो लोग आपको पूछेंगे, it's very nice. But what it will happen is that it will create memories within your family, okay? Now, it can be your grandchild, it can be your daughter, it can be your son, it can be your daughter-in-laws, it can be yourself. These pieces at some point you wear for yourself, and the heritage that you create is the one that you create yourself. So, वो जो question आता है कि लोग समझेंगे कि नहीं, I know when you're standing out in a wedding, so you want to stand out in a really good way. So you want to kind of wear it, but honestly you're wearing it for yourself. The value is what you will create, and the history and the whole the memories that you make with it. अरे मैंने पहना, फिर किसी और ने पहना, and that's how it is. So it is like jewelry, right? You don't think of it as something that comes and goes. It's always there for you. And जब आप वो look देखते हैं, that white and pink look that you just saw, look at the beauty of it. Just look how amazing it feels to be wearing something like that. अब उसमें हमने जो फैब्रिक यूज किया था वो था कोटा टिश्यू. वी हैव डन दैट विद द वाइट, ओके? एंड नाउ दिस इज द नेक्स्ट वन दैट आई वांट टू शो यू, बिकॉज दिस इज such a beautiful dusty shade. Now you will see that today the styling that we are going to do and more अभी तो आएंगे. We have done it with two-tone silks, like the silk that I am wearing. जब आप इस जैसे सिल्क के साथ पहनते, there is no clashing of zari, क्योंकि जरी तो है ही नहीं, बट आपने ऐसा उसको लुक दिया कि वो एकदम स्टैंड आउट करे. इनफैक्ट मैं आपको यही दुपट्टा, आई विल वेयर इट विद माई पीस एंड यू कैन सी द लुक. अच्छा, अगर आप चाहें कि इन दुपट्टों के साथ सेम मैचिंग में हम सिल्क आपको बना के दें तो हम बना के देंगे. दैट इज थिंग. द 5 meters लगेगा एंड देयर इज सम नॉमिनल कस्टमाइजेशन चार्जेस, बट वी विल मेक इट फॉर यू द एग्जैक्ट मैचिंग सिल्क सेम इन द पिंक. ओके, सो दैट इज पॉसिबल. वी विल डू इट फॉर यू. तो अगर आप चाहें कि इसको आप एक शीन दे पाए बेस में, देन माई थिंग इज दैट यू गो फॉर सिल्क. ओके, नाउ when you are looking and look at this beautiful color at that, यही मैं आपको दिखाना चाहती थी. What I have gotten for you is a premium चंदेरी fabric, जो मेरा one of my favorite of course fabrics for wearing the cotton Sachi Zaris. You will know that we also do Sachi Zari suits, and we have as this year launched it as a part of Hiranya, which is there, and you can actually at the moment I think we are completely sold out with them. But you can, they can be made on order, and you can ask us for the videos. They are super premium and they are complete suits, and just ask us separately, okay, for them for suit pieces. जब आप ये देख रहे हैं ये दुपट्टे, now the advantage सबसे बड़ा जो दुपट्टे का होता है, it is that it can be shared. Okay, now आपने पहना किसी और ने पहना, you know, that's the whole joy. And when you of course buying pieces like this, you want everybody to enjoy. सूट्स जो हैं बहुत खूबसूरत बनते हैं, and we honestly make it by order, and it requires that you kind of course place an order 50%, and it's a 4, 5 to 6 months का process, and then before delivery we take the rest. उन सिनेरियोज में आप मुझे बोले मुझे ये दुपट्टा 3 मीटर का चाहिए, इसमें 4 मीटर प्लेन कपड़ा जरी के साथ चाहिए, आपको 3 मीटर कुर्ता चाहिए, whatever you say, we will do it for you. You say I want this design customized in electric blue color, I will make it for you. So yes, customizations in these zari pieces are absolutely possible. उसमें कुछ चीजें हैं. One is सबसे जरूरी टाइम, बहुत टाइम लगता है, 6 महीना आप मिनिमम टाइमलाइन मान के चलिए. एंड सेकेंड चीज देयर इज अ कॉस्ट ऑफ कस्टमाइजेशन जो आप लेते हैं, एंड मतलब जो एवरेज प्राइस है उससे काफी हायर होते हैं कस्टमाइजेशन के चार्जेस. सो दोज आर ऑलवेज देयर. सो यस, बट अगर आपको वो मंजूर है तो वी कैन डू एनी कस्टमाइजेशन एज यू वुड से. नाउ लुक एट दिस स्टनिंग वन. ये वाला परफेक्ट पीस है फॉर मी टू शो यू how you can pair it up with silk. Now you want to stand out as we all do, you know, in a really good way. This is the most absolutely beautiful dupatta. Look at the grandness of it. Only zari for you in pure cotton. And the reason I'm wearing this color today is that ये जो color है ये बहुत pieces में edging में use हुआ है. So you will see how perfect a pure cotton with silk looks. And when you wear this, there is no way that, you know, it's going to be anything but absolutely grand. Okay, so that's the joy. अब इसमें आप, of course, my pick for wearing these pieces is that one जो जिसको हम विक्टोरियन ज्वेलरी बोलते हैं या हम जिसको टेम्पल ज्वेलरी बोलते हैं, those two categories of jewelry look beautiful with real zari pieces. Any gold jewelry also looks amazing. So you can go for these kind of jewelry with it. जब आप ये पहनते हैं, of course, कोई grand special occasion होगा, which is when you're going to be wearing it. And when you're wearing it, and then you want to wear your jewelry, of course, all of us want to wear it. तो ये ऐसे pieces हैं जिनसे बहुत, you know, you can wear a lot and it will still look very elegant. You know, that's the joy. अब मैं आपको मैंने आपको इसके साथ सिल्क का लुक दिखाया. नाउ आई बीन वेटिंग दैट आई विल शो यू दिस इज व्हाट आई वांट टू शो. दैट्स द अदर लुक. अगर आप इसको दिन के ओकेजन में पहन रहे हैं, व्हेन यू आर वेयरिंग, एंड ऑनेस्टली ये चीजें ऐसी हैं, आपने अगर 2 सूट भी बनाए एक दुपट्टे के साथ तो चलता है, और एक आपने बनाया एक आपकी डॉटर ने बनाया तो भी चलता है, यू नो, or your mom has made it and you have made it. So I will say it both ways because I know a lot of you of all generations watching us. So I always, you know, say it the way. Oh, you guys are so amazing. Thank you. Such a joy, and it's such a great start for me this Monday morning. I think we're on the last week of November. And yes, the year is just coming to an end. It's been so fast, guys. What do you think? Anyways, now look at this. That's the combination. So when you are wearing it in the day, you can wear our softest premium chanderi along with it. What you will need is घेरा. इसमें आप जरूर घेरा बनाएं, इसकी खूब वॉल्यूम बनाएं और एक फ्लोर लेंथ ड्रेस बनाएं. मोस्टली लाइक आवर सावरिया लुक. सावरिया लुक अगर आपने नहीं देखा है तो आप जरूर हमें मैसेज करें और स्टाइल गाइड लें जिनमें वो दिखता है आपको. इट्स इन अ मस्टर्ड काइंड ऑफ अ कलर, orangish mustardish. So then you create that kind of look. When you're wearing a silk kurta the way I am wearing, तब आपको एक सिर्फ A line अच्छा सा कुर्ता एंड पैंट आप पहन रहे, थोड़ा इसमें डिटेलिंग करवाइएगा, but don't get embroidery done on it. Okay, that's my request. आपको कॉटन वाली ड्रेस में कराना कराइए, But see, you can get embroidery done, okay? I have nothing against it. But when you're wearing सच्ची जरी, तो फिर जो embroidery होती है वो ideally होनी चाहिए real जरी के धागों के साथ, okay? Which is very hard to find. But so therefore, I understand you're coming from that. भाई embroidery कराएं तो बहुत उठ जाएगा, that is true. तो बहुत delicate सी जरी आप बनाइए उसमें, and थोड़ा सा कलर डालना है डालें, ताकि जो फोकस है वो इस पीस पे ही रहे जो हम आपको दिखा रहे हैं, एंड विच इज द एंटायर स्टोरी. नाउ लुक एट दिस ग्रैंड पीस फॉर यू राइट हियर. व्हाट अ ब्यूटीफुल कलर. येलो के बहुत सारे शेड्स हैं, बट सारे ही एक दूसरे से एकदम अलग हैं. एंड रिमेंबर, बॉम्बे में तो कैश ऑन डिलीवरी है ही, मतलब आप you can do a token amount and the rest we will deliver and we'll pick the balance cash. All over India, जहाँ Blue Dart है वहाँ cash on delivery available है, and if not you can deposit in a bank account. दूसरी बात, दुनिया में of course हम हर जगह we ship all over the world where DHL goes from India. That's where we are shipping from. So of course India में allowed होना चाहिए, because lot of, I think, few countries are not, and we get a lot of queries, and it's unfortunate that we are unable to ship. So look at this piece. Now again, what we've done here is with this, which is the premium chanderi. So I mean, दो तीन themes हैं of course which are very important when you wear this, is that the look that you're trying to create थोड़ा आपको stand out होना है, क्योंकि जब अगर आपने ये पहना है, अभी जो टू टोन, लेट्स डू सम सिल्क लुक्स, ठीक है, तो सिल्क के हम लुक्स करेंगे, तो आप उसको अगर स्टैंड आउट कराना चाहते हैं तो आप इसको सिल्क के साथ पहने. थोड़ा सा डे लुक रखना चाहते हैं तो आप इसको प्लेन कतान सिल्क में रखें. बट ऐसी बात नहीं, अगर आप चाहें कि सिल्क आप दिन में पहने, तो आई हैव द सॉफ्टेस्ट मोस्ट ब्यूटीफुल कलर्स जिनके भी सिल्क कस्टमाइज हो जाएंगे. बट ऑफकोर्स कस्टमाइजेशन ऑफ द प्लेन सिल्क, इट डजंट टेक दैट मच टाइम, बट स्टिल 45 डेज. अच्छा, ये दुपट्टा अगर आप चाहें कि येलो में बने या ग्रीन में बने या पिंक में बने, वो भी बन जाएगा. उसमें टाइम लगेगा 6 महीना. आप बोलते हैं कि मुझे सूट चाहिए या मुझे पूरा दुपट्टा चाहिए और उसके साथ लहंगा चाहिए, वो भी बन जाएगा. जस्ट अगर आप लहंगा चाह रहे हैं इस डिजाइन में बनाने का, आप 1-1.25 साल मान के चलिए. सो everybody who is then going to go for trousseau planning, agar aap your trousseau, your daughter's trousseau, whoever, your sons, or yourself, you want to make some collectible pieces which later on you will need time. So ye aisi cheez hai, and it is a very rare occasion jo aaj hum kar rahe hain, that itne sare pieces hum aapko ek saath dikha rahe hain. You can only imagine that these are months of creation for us, जिससे हम ये कर पाएंगे. So it's taken us a lot of time to be able to make this. Now let's show you this. Here it is. Look at the beauty, absolutely enhanced. Okay, so that's one piece. Now we are going on to some silks. अब जो next 2-3 हम combinations करेंगे, उसमें हम आपको silk ही दिखाएंगे. अच्छा, now one thing is that जो lengths हैं इनकी, जो widths हैं, of course check before you place your, बहुत जरूरी. Oh my god, first things first, look at this absolutely stunning piece. What do you think? We do have a lot of yellows. Okay, yellows typically, because they work very well with reds and pinks and greens. Many of our clients in the past, of course, they've worn it for all kind of events. We've customized suits, we have done dupattas, everything. All of these looks have been done, but I've seen many of you wear it in the day, and in the day, which is why we make a lot of yellow and red, yellow and pink. Typically also very beautiful for mehndis, for your day events, for morning weddings. In fact, it looks beautiful, Now, if you're wearing a piece as beautiful, as stunning as this, which has everything, which has the most intricate work, you can see the detailing, the zari, the color is just perfection. Now, I would typically wear it with a red or with a color, the one that I'm wearing, this perfect orange two-tone. Just look at how it kind of enhances it. Now, having said that, we would also do it with silk, and you can see the entire look right here. Now, this is beautiful, but I will leave it up to you कि आपको क्या, what is the look that you are going to go for. हमारे सिल्क्स आर जस्ट ग्रैंड, यू नो, ऑफ कोर्स. एंड आप अगर आज सिल्क देखने आए हैं, देन ऑल्सो यूर इन फॉर अ ट्रीट. लॉट ऑफ ब्यूटिफुल कलर्स are there. Now look at this luscious, most amazing yarn dyed silk. This is 4,800 per meter. The dupatta prices are all on request. You have to come to us. If we don't have your number, we may ask your name and address as well. So yeah, you know, just for us to have a basic idea and details. But look at that. So that's on a contrast. This is on a same family colors, and we can also do a complete red suit because that would also look very, very stunning. Okay, from that we are going to go on to a color that one can never have enough of, wear enough of, and that's black. अभी तो मैंने सिर्फ black कतान निकाला है. इसके साथ I am going to be showing you दो दुपट्टे एक साथ, मतलब एकदम ही अलग है अभी तक. This is going to be the first black look that we do, and there you go. Okay, let me show it to you like this. There you go. What can I say that is not visible for this piece? You know, look at the beauty of this. Absolutely grand one. Yes, one of our grandest piece with maximum zari in it. And there it is for you to see. Here it is. This is a jet black with the gold, with the silver, and just the perfect touch of red. This piece is for you. And सबसे ज़्यादा I think जो अच्छी बात है इन pieces की, सब रेडी टू शिप है आज के दिन में. सो यू नो, yes, it may have taken us years to kind of make these for you, months and years actually. If I think of the pieces that are here, yes, years to make them, to bring them to you. And apart from the sheer act of making, you know, to have the ability to create these pieces, the long gestation investments that we make for you to see them today, it is a culmination of all of that enables, you know, you to kind of be able to see this gorgeous collection. So yes, one of our masterpieces today is this black dupatta. Each one a masterpiece in its own right, okay? And that's the most important thing to know, that हर में अपनी art है, अपनी skill है बनने में जो काम आती है. Now this is your first quota piece. All prices for everyone who is WhatsApping us here, every price that you want to know will be available only and only on WhatsApp. So you have to come to us on WhatsApp to get the prices and the details of each one of these pieces. Okay, make sure that you do ask us the length, the width, whatever is relevant to you, the fabric. All of that is very important to know, and you must. Okay, isme one question that comes is that do we have a breakdown of the zari that we have? We don't have a breakdown. We don't provide it of the zari, the quantity of it that has been used. It cannot be provided because it works on a very different way. When we wait, the meena also goes on it. So that's not technically possible. But baki jo bhi details hai, hum zarur, you know, we'll be very happy to show you and let you know on all that. Now from that, I think we've not done enough light colors. So look at this beautiful peach that you can see, and it's absolutely amazing. A soft color, base color suit, I think it's going to look amazing whether you do it in silk. Yes, silk will be a great base for all of these. Same color चाहे, अच्छा quick way है कि हम कतान डाई कर देंगे आपको. That will be done instantly. You will have a full look. You have some time, you can wait. I will really suggest आप yarn dyed matching silk लें. उसके लिए हाँ हमें दुपट्टा रखना पड़ेगा. So for many of you ये भी लगता है कि यार मैं पहले दुपट्टा एक बार पहन लूँ. आराम से आप एक दो बार पहन लें, then you can send the dupatta back to us and we will create the matching silk for you. And if contrast is a look that is, you know, what you're looking for, then yes, you will see. Now you will notice that most of the looks that we are doing are on you know, plain silks, that is, or plain fabrics, just to maintain the beauty of this. इसी कलर में मेरे पास दो पीसेस हैं, तो मैं आपको दो एकदम अलग लुक्स हैं. एक में पूरा लुक है बेस के अलावा ग्रीन का, एंड दिस वन नाउ यू विल सी, दिस इज द अदर वन जिसमें पूरा लुक है ऑफ दिस ऑरेंज एंड पिंक का. मैं इसको साथ में भी आपको दोनों दिखाऊंगी so that you can do. So yes, this very lovely color, you can see that here, right here. Look at that, it's absolutely amazing. You want to create some impact, you can do this matching. जो orange है इसके matching का plain silk बहुत सुंदर लगेगा. And let me show you, because they are so similar but they're so different, and that is why I want to show you both these pieces. Here it is, look at that. So there you go. You can see now the whole green beauty right there in this one. Can I even get the green silk with it? Because I will really want to show you with the green silk. Look at that. I think it's going to look so outstanding with it, apart from the peach. बहुत सुंदर लगेगा. So that is one way that you're going to be wearing it. The other way that you're going to be wearing it is this. Of course, then you can do a contrasting pink, जो भी बहुत सुंदर लग रहा है, या बेस में आप yarn dyed silk इसमें यूज कर सकते हैं. Okay, so अच्छा बीच में I want to give a break and I'll go to a really nice fabric that we have made, and हमने specially आज के लिए रखा था that you know, because theme ही पूरा of all of these beautiful cottons, and what I want to show you, and yes, I'm showing you in fact for the first time, so it is launching today, is, you know, something that we're really happy to be making, our fabrics in pure cotton. The zari is tested zari, and you can see this, but this is very first time जब हमने थान के form में pure cotton fabric बनाया है, which is why it is also coming with the real zari pure cotton, because इसमें अगर आप चाहें तो बहुत सुंदर लगेगा ये fabric dye होके, which is the reason we are showing this to you with it, that you can wear it. बहुत दुपट्टेज हैं अभी, so you'll have to hang around and you know you'll have to just kind of see that the pieces that we have. This is the first one. Now we've done, even in this fabric, 3 concepts. You will see only silver zari. That's the first concept. Okay, we're going to put this aside. The second concept in this is only gold zari. And remember, this is launching for the first time. Pure cotton thans, okay? And yes, it is dyeable, and I think it will look beautiful on its own. ये जो है ये इसमें है gold zari. So you will see one is the pure silver zari, and then you are seeing this is the gold zari. They would be amazing with the kind of dupattas that we are showing you today as well. And this, अच्छा ये एक बार कई बार बात आती है कि ऐसे दुपट्टे do you have it without real zari? No, we don't make such dupattas without real zari. The design is also based, you know, there is a concept value to it which we only keep for the real zari. And this is a third concept in this, which is the Sona and the Rupa. So yes, you have the Sona, you have the Rupa, which is silver and gold singularly, and then you have this. I think this is going to be a game changer on how we wear cottons. You're going to be seeing a lot of it, these beautiful pieces, and make sure that you have this by the meter. अब आप अगर ले रहे हैं तो honestly I'm going to think that you're going to go for at least, you know, you should and you must go for at least 3 मीटर तो आपको लेना ही चाहिए. सेम ऑन आप सेम ले तो भी it will be very very nice, because that would also be a really good look for you. So you should go for that as well. This is, we are based in Bombay. Okay, so somebody's asking where are we based. Yes, of course, so many of you I think on a daily basis joining every day from all over the world. Aapka, it's very easy how you can place your order. You will see the live, you will find your piece, you will send us a screenshot on WhatsApp, you will get all the details. We'll also be happy to share a video and a picture of the piece that you like. And then we will send you the payment link, complete payment or a part amount, the balance on cash on delivery. Both the options are available for you to be able to wear. Okay, let's get on this one. Now this one is a beautiful mull tissue. Okay, now everyone who's asking, mull tissue का हमारा order था. Yes, it's all in making. We have hundreds of meters in making, and yes, it's all getting made. So it's taking a bit of time, but because of the hundreds of meters that we have orders of, so that's all getting executed. But मेरे पास एक sample था दिखाने के लिए for this bright, beautiful combination that you can also wear. Mull tissue is another fabric that can look really nice with many of the looks here. Now you can go for this combination as it is. You can also go for the silver cotton that I just showed you, because iski zari silver hai, so that is also something that will look very nice. Remember, this is a live for our premium pieces. You are seeing the most beautiful creations from our collection. We have many pieces, a very wide extensive collection that you see. जो भी आप जिन्होंने भी प्राइजेस मांगे, रिमेंबर द प्राइजेस आर ऑल in all available on chats only. You will have to go to the chats to and chats कहाँ है? WhatsApp पे. WhatsApp नंबर कहाँ है? हर पोस्ट, हमारे हर पेज के पोस्ट पे, हर वीडियो में नीचे आपको हमारा नंबर दिखेगा और WhatsApp में लिंक दिखेगा. And please do not believe anybody else who comes and says I am from Eve, I am trying to sell you this other, unless they have come from this official number. Okay, our team will contact you for probably, COD related questions, and sometimes rarely you'll get a call from the accounts. But they will never ask you for payments on those numbers. The payments will always be asked only on this number. So that's a way of you to have surety. Now you can see this gorgeous piece. It's so beautiful. It's in Kota. And yes, I think I would absolutely wear it with silk and create this most amazing combination, but at the same time a very, very gorgeous look. And look at that, this cotton, premium cotton for that flary look is this one. This is going to be this beautiful shade of orange, and it's absolutely amazing. So look at that, this very, very stunning collection for you. And अब एक हम पैलेट में एकदम अलग लुक में जाएंगे, and this is going to be this particular one. Look at that, here it is. So yes, you will see a lot of reds, yellows, those are the most popular color, even peach to that extent. Today, one rare piece of off-white you have already seen. I do have another piece of off-white, a black masterpiece, all of these, a Kota masterpiece in fact, Now look at this, this is so rare and so beautiful. Look at the Meena, look at the detailing and the work. अब इसके साथ हम ज़रूर ग्रे लगा सकते हैं, but we want to kind of make it just stand a little bit. जब आप एक plain fabric देख रहे हैं, you can put in your option that you want it in silk or you want it in premium chanderi. We can do it in both. In silk, if you have the time, we would like to make it yarn dyed, okay, but if not, then we would like to dye it. We can dye it. ये जो आप pieces देख रहे हैं, somebody is asking how many days can it reach Chicago, USA. So okay, that's the beauty, the absolute beauty of it. Heritage pieces, unheard of. But today for us, Neve has made it possible for you to get that piece in your hand in the next 5 to 7 days. They're all ready to be shipped out. The dupattas, fabric if you need, we'll let you know the timelines. कौन किसी में dye होना है, किसी में yarn dyed बनना है. The dupattas by themselves are ready to be shipped today. And if you are sitting in New York or Chicago or California, and so many of you in London and Hong Kong and entire Middle East, we have so many of you, and of course now I think so many of you coming from Australia as well. You can have these pieces in your hand, these absolute historical heritage pieces in your hand in 5 to 7 days, and you can wear it. So I know many of you looking for Christmas gifts who are outside India to gift, to wear that one absolutely masterpiece. And yes, this one is the next one in that category. And so to complete my sentence, that if you're outside India, anywhere we use DHL, these pieces are ready to be shipped out today. 4 p.m. that's the cutoff time for that day shipments, international ones. So if you want these, you have closed them by 4 p.m. they'll go out today, which means that in the next 5-7 days you will have them in your hand. And if you're going to come to us at night with it, we will close it at night. Each of these pieces that you see, okay, now I'm going to say this, that each of these pieces that you see, कई बार ये बात होती है, अच्छा अरे मिस हो गया, आप बना पाएंगे क्या? Now for me to be able to create this piece again will be, see, we are not planning to remake any one of these, okay? We don't have any intention to remake any of these pieces, but if you would like, it will be made on your order, which means time and cost. So the idea is, बहुत सारे pieces हैं, don't kind of wait too long to make up your mind and go for the piece that you want now. Okay, now coming back to this is one of our most absolutely amazing and very, very different piece from today. This is made in tissue. So when I meant that it is months of work, this is all a part of it. Now look at this stunning piece. What are you seeing here? The base is of tissue, the zari, the real zari right here, and of course the touch of Meena in all of this. and it's like this natural color, so that what's going to be amazing is that you'll be able to wear it with these soft colors. You'll also be able to wear it beautifully with natural multi tissue. I think that's also going to look very very nice. You're also going to be able to wear it with the cottons we have shown you today, and of course because tissue hai to silk bhi bahut acha lagega. So you can go for contrast when you're wearing a lehenga. अच्छा, आप इन पीसेस को लहंगे पे पहन पाएंगे? Yes, they are. Lot of these are full length, full width. Some are shorter. So you ask us that which one is what. Now here it is. Look at that. Look at this wonderful combination. But you say, yeah, मुझे silk चाहिए, but मुझे base color में चाहिए, which is also possible. So that can also be done. And so somebody saying for next time and say, so a lot of our events are all at 12 a.m. At night ending. So you don't have to worry about that. We are constantly thinking for everybody who is in India, of course, but also so many of you for us, outside India, and it's very very important that we work with you guys as well. We try our best. The team is very small still, relatively small, but we still try our very best. Now look at this one. This is one stunning one. You saw a brighter red version. Now you're seeing this, which is a deeper red, and it's absolutely amazing. Look at that. Now what I'm showing you with this is slightly different. I brought out my Kota fabric, okay, with the polkas. This is one way that can be your shirt. And then this one, look at that, the beautiful one can be your bottom, the plain. I'm also going to open it, of course, but I'm just showing you, look at that, this full entire look. So today, not only are we doing singular dupattas, but we're also creating complete looks for you. Because, of course, जब आपने ऐसा कुछ पहना है, you want it to be perfect, and I absolutely would want it to be perfect for you. So not only are we doing, we have done pure cottons, which we've just launched today for the first time. We are doing the silks, we are also doing kotas, we are doing premium chanderis, yes, we have it all for you today. So look at that, that's your full look, full combination for this. Of course, this yellow you can opt with any or other dupattas as well. You can do that. You can say that I want it with, a red combination. That too, we will do it for you. Now, the next one, I've gone a bit ahead, and one thing. First things first, this is a beautiful silk. बहुत सुंदर है. The kadwa, the red touch is just outstanding. This one, I also have it in green. So I brought it out anyways for you to see, both in green Meena and in red. I think they are absolutely stunning. So बहुत सुंदर है. But what we are doing with this one is that we are bringing this dupatta. So I think this is probably the only one in which we have done a combination with the silk which has buta. But the reason being that I think the red matches it so perfectly. And yes, when you're looking for that shadi wala, because so many of you are going to wear it for the main shadi, this piece, because it is everything, and at that point you want that touch of red, you want a little extra. I think it's going to look so beautiful with that little extra touch of Meena. So yes, think of a flary, complete, lehenga, sharara, and of course lot of kali kurta with a bottom with it, and this stunning dupatta, and the most outstanding jewelry that you guys have, जो सब रखे हुए हैं but उनको रखे ना, उनको पहने. So yeah, that is also one thing, उनको रखने के लिए नहीं, wear it. And then you will be able to create the most stunning looks. First things first, look at this luscious silk too. It's beautiful. Go for those as looks. And yeah, I'm going to show this dupatta once again so that you can get that entire vision so very clear for you. Because that's why I'm here. That's why I'm here, for you to be able to imagine on how they're going to look also. That's my job, for you to give, because of course we are into textile designing. We design these pieces for you, but हम चाहते हैं कि आप इसको visualize कर पाएं, which is why I'm here to help you visualize. I hope I will be able to, with the way I hope I'm able to convey what I'm really trying to kind of imagine, the looks that I have kind of created while making these pieces for you. Now look at that. Here it is. This lovely, you saw an orange that was so different from this, with the clear touch of greens. Now this one, I love it because of this Firozi pink and this purples. Look at that. Now here we've done our soft premium chanderi for you, and look at this. I'm going to just open it. You know why I can kind of, why I have kind of brought this fabric out is because it gives you the most softest, most beautiful flow along with the piece. Now here it is. There you go. Look at that. Look at that. Absolutely outstanding. Last week a live tha last on Thursday, and yes, lot of prep, lot of back work which happens for us to be able to bring it to you, apart from all the work that happens of designing, sampling, production in Banaras. The planning of all of that happens here. So sometimes kai baar aapko ek, we go on a break, and that was something like which we went last week for 4 days. We didn't do a live, but I hope you're going to be killing it with this one. I hope you're going to be appreciating what is out here for you today, which is so rare and so beautiful. Now look at these ice cream colors. Can you imagine adapted in this? The lemons, the pista green, the peach, all in white, and look at how pretty this one is. So we've done 2 off-whites today, both very, very different to each other. One was that traditional flowers that you can never ever go wrong with, and the other one is this, which you should absolutely see. And one sec, let me just open this one for you, and there you go. So stunning, so beautiful. Here you go, that very soft, perfect look that you can see. Now you say, yeah, mujhe isme yellow ka look chahiye. Sure, we will do it for you. We will make a yellow look as well for you. Now, one next piece, which is here. This is so lovely because this is so different. The entire a plain body with this heavy border right here, one thing. But what I'm also going to do with the look is something very different. With this, I have brought out the guns in terms of real zari kota fabric for you to dress up, for you to make your kurta. Okay, that's going to be your kurta. It's going to be a plain silk bottom with it, and this is going to be your dupatta. So yes. Now this is such a perfect balance because ye iski jo body plain hai, that is why we have done this beautiful fabric to go along with it. And yes, so you are going to be wearing a dress, a kurta out of this. This is going to be a dupatta and a plain silk bottom. Such perfect look for you, and there you go. So that's one very different one. Iska ye dusra version मैं आपको दिखाती हूँ, which is going to be all bright and very, very attractive, which is the red. Now look at that. Here it is. This is the most stunning red in kota and in real zari that you'll see, and I think it looks absolutely. In fact, इसका बहुत मन था मुझे that I wanted to wear it with this, but then I started with that because that was also very, very pretty. The first piece with this combination. But just look at the beauty of this. It's absolutely amazing in this whole contrast. All of these pieces that you're seeing right here, all of them ready to go out today. And jo iski importance hai, it's very, very important because if I were to make any of these pieces, it's a big, big lineup of work, 6 to 8 months. So, and of course, हमने हमेशा वेट किया इन टाइप के पीसेस का, राइट? You've heard of it. Your grandmother's talking about it, your mother's talking about it. You've wished that that एक हमेशा wishful thinking and wishful thinking, and the fact that you want to at least own that one piece which is there in your wardrobe, which you're going to be wearing forever. And yes, बिना जरी के भी हमारे बहुत सारे collectibles हैं, but जब उसमें real जरी होता है, that sentiment value like a jewelry, completely changes. Like you do a art jewelry, which is also possible and it's absolutely stunning, but then you do those real jewelries and then you feel, yeah, ye to must hai pass on. So yeah, the sentiments are wonderful to wear, but the sentiments remain intact. And look at that, this is absolutely amazing. Now what we've done here is a touch of green जो इस दुपट्टे में है, इससे हमने नीव बूटा को किया है match, and you can see the नीव बूटा. One, it's just absolutely amazing in its color, but इसको हमने किया है with it. Look at that. I'm going to bring out the piece again, The team is very, very busy working with you guys. Let us know what you like and this. So look at that combination here. You can see this green and yellow. It's absolutely outstanding. Okay, so there you go. We've shown you that. Now I'm just thinking I have a lot of option here. Okay, and I'm going to go for a color that we have so far not got into, and that is the orange. So there you go. This beautiful orange. It's very, very different from what I'm wearing. And with this one, my favorite combination always is either a gold, that you do a gold, or you do a chanderi of the base color just in itself, and you go for a look like this. Because when you're wearing a look like this, even a pink, can we do this pink? I want to show you, the top one. Yeah, I want to show you with the pink as well. But I think what is going to look best is the base color in this fabric or in silk, whatever you say, we will do it for you. मैं एक पिंक का भी लुक दिखाती हूँ आपको. दिस इज वन, इट्स दिस मोस्ट ब्यूटिफुल सिल्क, एंड मैं आपको थोड़ी देर में आई शो यू. लेट्स गेट ऑल द सिल्क के अलग अलग कलर्स ऑल्सो, तो वो भी मैं आपको दिखा देती हूँ. बिकॉज यू नो individually also you may love the silk from today, and then you know what a good occasion to just catch up on the silk. So this is, I think it looks very pretty, the orange and the pink silk. So this is a short way of wearing it, apart from the base color and the premium chanderi. वो भी बहुत सुंदर लगेगा. So look at that combination. And yes, I do have the most stunners. I'm going to do one color again, which is, there you go. Look at that. Here it is. And this I'm going to show. Can I see this pink? Uske upar wala. Haan, that one. Now, yes. Look at that. Here you go. Because this I would strongly recommend that you either wear with a purple or you wear it with a shade of pink. All of these, just the fabrics are, of course, you can buy by the meter as much as you want. जब आपने ये पहना है, the best way to wear it is same on same. Which is 24,000 for 5 meters. If you're going to go for just the kurta, then it's going to be 12,000 for that. And yes, if you wish that for this we create a purple silk for you, it can be done. Remember that cash on deliveries are available for everything that can be made, but it has to be shipped today. So that's the way. If you're in Bombay, of course, you can also ask us for a drop and a pickup, like in the sense that you can ask for these premium pieces only. It's not available for all. Only for the premium pieces you can pay a token amount now, and the balance can be paid at the time of we are sending it to you. Okay, so that's something that can be done. You can pay in cash. I mean, the entire purpose that if you want to pay them in cash, you can do it then. Now look at that. Here it is. This is a beautiful combination. The floral in pink. I think jar itna ut ke aa raha hai isme because of this base color. Of course, you can do a purple on purple, and that would look great. But I think this color combination, I think, just makes it really stand out. Now I'm going to bring all the colors just of one thing, which is all of these lovely two-tone silk fabrics, and I'm just going to show it to you as we go along, just like that, you know, just the silks, so that you can have these beautiful silks to wear with any of the suits that you've been wanting. Now this particular shade looks amazing with a black dupatta, you know, जिसमें भी थोड़ा सा भी tinge है red का. It looks amazing. So many colors for you to choose from. If you want more meters in the same color, yes, it can be made. You say, yeah, मुझे 8 मीटर चाहिए, 7.5, 9 मीटर चाहिए, because I know a lot of outfits require that kind of color, that kind of fabric, तो वो भी बन जाएगा. So you have to just let us know. I'm just, look at the lush fabrics. Oh my God, look at this. Look at how it moves, this entire look. It's absolutely amazing. This is there. You will have shades of blue. And if you see a color, if you don't see a color here, but you know that you want to get it made, then of course that can be done too. There is a cost to it, there's a time frame to it, and there is a minimum requirement of the meters of fabric that you will need to do, but all is possible. And what this is such a nice color. Ab iske sath, you know what I'm going to show you is two things. I'm going to show you one, this dupatta, but I think that I'm going to show with the darker color. Let's see if I will. Yeah, I like this. I'm going to show it to you with this. So there is this बीच में, you know, कुछ रह गए दुपट्टे, तो मैं उनको भी दिखा देती हूँ आपको. Now look at this. Oh, look at this soft jal of this flower. of this yellow look, and we can do a yellow and yellow. That can be done. We can in fact do a pink and yellow like this. That is also possible. This is our premium cotton, so yes, it looks beautiful on it. So you can also do this kind of look with it. But you say yaar ki mujhe silk chahiye and you want to do this kind of look, that can also be done on it. So there you go. और कुछ colors हैं मेरे पास, which you know, of course, the one that I'm wearing, you will get it. So you have to just place your order. This is very close to the one I'm wearing. So yes, the fabric by the meter. This is actually the color that I'm wearing. This is 4,800 per meter. Look at this beautiful color. And you know, I think it's absolutely amazing. You have seen me today itself wearing with every color possible, and I think it just looks amazing with all of it. One of my main requests is that I know that कई बार आप इसको खरीद लेते हैं, the kurta, and then later on you want to match it. First लगता है कि किसी और से मैच हो जाएगा, when मैं आपको I'll make your life easier. ये किसी से मैच नहीं होने वाला है. So इसके लिए आपको यही लेना पड़ेगा. That is the best way. I know I'm all for cost. You know, sometimes you want to save it. I'm all for it. But जहाँ नहीं possible है, मैं आपको I will tell you upfront. This should be bought 5 to 6 meters same on same. खत्म भी हो जाएगा तो हम आपको बना के देंगे. But you should buy 5 to 6 meters. And very important that जब आप कुर्ता खरीद रहे तभी आप इसका bottom खरीदें. Because some have also mentioned, I have the kurta now, can you match me the bottom after, you know, that particular than is over. We cannot match it. It's not humanly possible. जब ये बनता है एक थान, ये perfect एक color का है. जब हम same color वापस बनाएंगे तो भी variation आता है. So if you're looking for a top bottom, बाद में आप ले पाए, नहीं होगा. When you're going, go for 5 meters, 6 meters. That is the only way to wear it. And because that is available, and this dupatta, which is a starting range of, I think, dupattas in real zari, this is very, very subtle. Okay, this is very subtle zari in it. This is kota, but the color is so beautiful. Look at that. And I think this orange and pink, it always looks so wonderful. And this is a look that if you've been wanting to wear zari, और ये orange के साथ आप ये look लेते हैं, this is from our beginning range of it. You can still own where, you know, this absolute piece of heritage and value in your wardrobe, and at the starting range of a dupatta. So that's possible. Now look at that. That's kota. It's very, you know, you'll see the zari. All of the zari is real, but it's all very understated, you know, and that's the whole look of it. Remember, that is the very look of this beautiful piece. If you want, you can also do a same on same. And yes, everyone wanting to wear a dupatta on a sari for a, you know, for on lehengas or saris for a special occasion, these dupattas are so absolutely for that. Look at this color, the blue, the red, when it mixes and it creates that magic. This yellow, okay, so this is more on an orangish tone for you. So this is different from the one that I'm wearing. This is also there. Now look at that, this one, and the very last, this is the very last piece that I'm going for, is in silk, is this, and it's just absolutely lovely. Can I just see that purple? Any color I have not seen, the niche wala purple also. Now two colors which I have not shown you so far, and I'm going to show it to you here. ये देखिए, एक ये है, and yes, so lovely, right? Each color is stunning. In each color, हर में थोड़ा थोड़ा अलग look है. जैसे ये दोनों ही family of purples हैं, but they are very different. ये red के साथ बना हुआ है, and this is with pink. So there is that basic difference in each one of them. एक color और है purple का, but I will show it to you after I've shown this very amazing color. और ये एक ऐसा color है जिनमें सारे ही जरी के pieces बहुत सुंदर लगते हैं. So there you go. Here it is. Now let's go. Let's show you. Look at this. This very lovely. Look at the beautiful jal. So soft, and yes, absolutely, you want the tassels, they will be added for you, and that is your entire look. Now you've seen कि इस green के साथ red कैसा लगता है. अब मैं इसी के साथ आपको दिखाने वाली हूँ green and yellow, and you tell me which is the one that you like most. So we do have a lot of options for you to pick up your perfect look from today. You can do this with green, and you can see the entire look right here. It looks amazing. You can also do it with yellow. You can also do it, now I'm going to show you this color, which is the red. Let's see this. Let's open this up for you. Is this yellow the same as this? I want to show this yellow if it is very similar, right? So this is your look with red. Now we'll put that away too, and then we will come back to a yellow. Let me just show it to you. There you go. And I think it is, so kai baar hota hai ki, even in lives, and I'm seeing and I see that, can I do a better combination? Because at the end of it, the look that I want to give you is perfect. So even if I plan something, I always want to do a little more so that you can get the perfect look. Now this yellow, thoda dark light hai, but I think it really brings out the beauty of this dupatta. If same on same is what you like and you're going to go for, look at that, here you go. And if you're going to go for a contrast, then surely you can go for this. It's a stunning green, such a bright one. And don't worry about, is it too bright? Like, look at this combination. In fact, look at this silk. And the thought of wearing these two gorgeous fabric together, you can just go for it together. Look at how amazing it is. So don't worry about, is it going to be too bright? Maybe if you've seen just the fabric, you'll think it's too bright. And it is, it's stunning. But look at it, it's just absolutely marvelous. It's sunshine all together for you. So colors can be so much more, so experiment, wear it. Even I'm learning, I'm learning to like and love other colors as well. So I think that's something we all have to do. And we love to stick to the colors that we already have. And there is nothing wrong in that. I'm the first one to say that pink, har din pehna hai, har din pehne. There is so much sometimes guilt we associate with ourselves for choosing the same colors. Why? It's for your joy. So if you want to go out of your zone, try new colors, go for it. If you want to go for something that you have always loved, bina kisi guilt ke pehne. So whether it's black, red, pink, I know so many of you say, I keep wearing greens, I love it. Why not? That's the last piece for today, and you can see it here. And so yes, a range of the most wonderful collections for you to pick up from. And I hope that you will find your piece of heritage, your piece of something that you absolutely have loved to wear. And yes, I'm just going to recap everything that we've done today. We have done the most stunning collections of Sachi Zari dupattas in 2 mediums of kota and of pure cotton. You have also seen us launch a brand new fabric in pure cotton in Sona, in Rupa, and in Sona and Rupa today. Apart from that, a great palette of stunning silks, two-tone silks, which are all ready. याद रखिए, ये जितने भी पीसेस आपने देखे हैं दुपट्टों में, ये सब रेडी टू शिप है आज के दिन में. आप कहीं भी हो दुनिया में, they will reach to you in the next 5 to 7 days. That is what it takes. So yes, go for it. I think it's been such a wonderful, great start to the day, and hope you are going to make the most of it. We are going to be posting this live the moment I just press the button end, and then we will post it on Instagram, Facebook, and of course also on YouTube. So thank you, and go pick up your piece of heritage. That's always going to be there for you today. And yes, it's been a lot of time for us to be able to create such a large collection, but we have been able to do it. All price related queries, please come on WhatsApp. All orders to be placed, come on WhatsApp. So that's all from me. Thank you so much, and I will see you really soon again. Bye, and have a great start of the week. And it's the end of November, so make the most of it, guys.